Ever felt confused about who's doing what in your software project? Wish there was a magic tool to clarify roles and responsibilities? Well, there is. Today we're diving into the RACI chart, your secret weapon for project clarity. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a fundamental project management tool that can save you countless headaches, especially in the world of software development, the RACI chart. So what exactly is a RACI chart? R. Responsible. This is the person who does the work. They are responsible for completing the task or making the decision. There can be multiple responsible individuals for a task, but often it's best to aim for one primary owner. Accountable. This is the person who is ultimately answerable for the completion of the task or the correct decision. They approve the work done by the responsible party. Critically, there can only be one accountable person per task or deliverable. C. Consulted. These are individuals who need to be consulted before the work is done or the decision is made. They provide input, expertise, or information. This is typically a two-way communication. I informed. These are individuals who need to be informed after the work is done or the decision is made. They don't provide input, but they need to be kept in the loop. This is typically a one-way communication. Now, why is this so crucial in a software project? Avoids duplication of effort. No two people working on the same thing unknowingly. Reduces miscommunication. Clear understanding of who is doing what. Streamlines decision making. Everyone knows who has the final say. Boosts accountability. No more "that's not my job" excuses. Improves team collaboration. Fosters a sense of shared purpose. In a software project, we often have diverse teams. Developers, QAs, product owners, designers, project managers, stakeholders. Without clear roles, things can get messy fast. Let's make this concrete with an example. Imagine we are building a new feature for our software, implementing user profile picture upload. Here's how we might map out the RACI for some key tasks within this feature. Task 1. Define user stories and acceptance criteria for profile picture upload. R. Responsible product owner, they write the stories and criteria. A. Accountable product owner, they are ultimately accountable for these being clear and comprehensive. C. Consulted UI UX designer for feasibility and user flow input. Lead developer for technical feasibility. QA lead for testability input. Marketing team may need to prepare launch materials. Task 2. Design user interface for profile picture upload. Are responsible UI UX designer, they create the mockups and prototypes. A. Accountable UI UX designer, they own the final design. C. Consulted product owner for alignment with user stories. Front-end developer for implementation feasibility. I. Informed QA team needs to know what to test. Project manager. C. Consulted product owner for alignment with user stories. Front-end developer for implementation feasibility. Informed I. QA team needs to know what to test. Project manager. Task 3. Develop backend API for image storage and retrieval. Are responsible backend developer, they write the code. A. Accountable lead developer oversees the technical implementation and code quality. C. Consulted front-end developer to ensure API meets front-end needs. Database administrator for storage solutions. I. Informed QA team, project manager, product owner. C. Consulted front-end developer to ensure API meets front-end needs. Database administrator for storage solutions. I. Crew informed QA team, project manager, product owner. Task 5. Perform quality assurance QA testing of the feature. Are responsible QA test cases. Are they execute test cases. Are accountable QA lead, they ensure thorough testing and quality. C. Consulted front-end developer, back-end developer for bug clarification, product owner, lead change, lead developer. C. Consulted, front-end developer, back-end developer for bug clarification, product owner to ensure it meets requirements, informed I, project manager, lead developer. See how that works. For each task, we've clearly identified who's doing the work, who has the final say, who needs to provide input, and who just needs to be kept in the loop. A few quick tips when creating your own RACI charts. Keep it simple, don't overcomplicate it. Focus on key deliverables and decisions. 1A per task. This is crucial. Only one person can be ultimately accountable. Involve the team. Don't create this in a vacuum. Discuss and agree on roles with your team. This fosters buy-in. Review and revise. Projects evolve. Your RACI chart should too. Revisit it periodically. Use tools, spreadsheets, project management software like Jira, Asana, Trello with custom fields or dedicated RACI tools can help. The RACI chart isn't just a document, it's a communication tool. It forces crucial conversations about who owns what, preventing assumptions and fostering a more efficient and collaborative environment. So next time you're kicking off a software project or even a new feature within one, consider pulling out a RACI chart. I promise your team will thank you. What are your experiences with RACI charts? Have they helped your projects or have you found them challenging? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Share it with a fellow project manager or developer. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.